Today, we're going to explore the fascinating process of creating charcoal sticks at home. It's a simple and rewarding DIY project that allows you to make your own artistic tools. Start by selecting a wood type, like willow or grapevine, ensuring it's free from resin and sap. Cut the wood into stick-sized pieces based on your preference for length and thickness. Next, construct a makeshift kiln using a metal container with a lid. Make sure to add vent holes near the top for proper airflow. Arrange your wood sticks inside, leaving some space between them. Once your kiln is ready, ignite a controlled fire beneath it. As the wood burns, it undergoes carbonization, turning into charcoal. Monitor the process, keeping an eye on temperature levels. After the burning is complete, let the charcoal sticks cool inside the kiln before retrieving them. Store your homemade charcoal sticks in a dry place to prevent moisture absorption. Now, you have your own handmade charcoal sticks ready for your artistic endeavors. Enjoy the creative journey, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this DIY tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy crafting!